अस्सलाम वालेकुम। 23 अगस्त 2023 को चाइना का एक बड़ा मशहूर शहर है चोंगचिंग सिटी, वहाँ पे सीमेंट की एक बहुत बड़ी एग्जीबिशन हुई सीमेंटेक के नाम से, जिसमें मैंने पार्टिसिपेट किया। वहाँ पे मुझे जो सीमेंट मैन्युफैक्चरिंग प्रोसेस देखने को नज़र आया, मुझे बड़ा अच्छा लगा। मैंने वीडियो कैप्चर कर ली ताकि मैं दोस्तों के साथ शेयर कर सकूँ।
Let me introduce to you, okay? This is from the pouring. After the pouring, crushing to the limestone. Crushing now limestone and become smaller and convey to the raw material sheet. And then convey to the raw materials, okay? Raw milk for the grinding to become the powder, and then convey to the preheater to preheating the raw materials, and then raw materials flow into the rotary kiln to combustion. This rotary kiln has divided, the burning zone, transmission room. Like this, okay. The temperature has reached 1,280 degrees, and high temperature, and then the cleaner flow to the brazier for cooling, and then the cleaner comes out. Cleaner and comes out into the cement silo, and the silo coming to the cement mill by the back elevator to feed in the cement mill, grinding to the powder. Then the cement comes out.
他说我们才只做了
Yes, the packing house. Okay, packing. This is silo. Okay, this silo. Okay, this is look. Okay, the truck. The truck is ordered. Okay, the truck is ordered for loading. Yeah, for loading cement like this.
Perfect.
Okay.
Perfect.
Okay. So if you are interested, I invite you to visit our group. Our group is near Shanghai City.
We will come next time. And if we come to Pakistan, we will also
Oh.
机甲连接桥。
In Pakistan, the best way cement.
面盘装置。
Best way cement, the